how to set up Patreon creator page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you are a content creator and you are thinking about earning consistent income from your audience, then Patreon is one of the best platforms to start with. So, in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up a Patreon creator page. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser and then head over to Patreon. Then, just tap on your username at the bottom and then you'll see the creator option. Just tap on it and then you will be prompted to put in a name of your page. So you can just put any name that you want that is related to your profession. You don't have to overthink this part because you can change it later. So you can also tick if your page isn't suitable for people under 18 and then hit continue. So uh, you can choose a URL. You can always change this later. Then hit continue and then just choose topics that you create. So if it's music, then tap on it. You can tap other topics as well. Hit continue and then you can connect with YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, other social media platforms, or you can just skip it for now. And then uh, you can just tap on get started and then you can edit your page. So you can make it public, you can make it a paid member or free member, and then you can also see the preview of your page. Now you can put in the images of your choice. So you can see this is what it looks like. This section will be shown when you add post, and you'll have your popular post here, collections here, and then you can even change the layout and then hit save. So you can also check the mobile view if you want to. And it's as simple as that. Just customize your page according to your wish. And then that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.